Hello, one way to save a huge ton of money is to be proactive on extended support. Let me explain. So, results from querying cure or focus data with description like extended support are too late because we are already paying extra fees for the extended support. And so if you want to be proactive, you will need to prevent extended support costs before they even happen, meaning that you need to list all engines where standard support stop in the next 6 months, let's say, and so you have plenty of time to upgrade. So the first thing to do will be to pull the extended support dates for each engine version. So for example, MySQL 8.4 or Communities 1.31 from multiple sources so you can get the documentation online. And for example, for this one, Communities version 1.30, you can see that the end of standard support is in 2025 July. And for this RDS Postgre, let's take engine version 17 here. You can see that the end of standard support will be in 2030 February. And so you can do this for all databases, so including RDS, but also EKS, Elastic Cache Redis, and also OpenSearch. So there is one pain point here, which is that engine versions are not available in cure or focus exports. So one way to retrieve this engine version is to use a lambda with a cross-account role here. That will first query Cost Explorer in the root account to get a mapping of each account and region having spent in EKS, RDS, Elasticache, or OpenSearch services, and then to pull engine versions from the services using this mapping into each individual account. Then you have to map engine version with standard support ending dates and also with classic cure focus queries. And so to fix it, it's pretty easy. You just have to upgrade before the extended support happen. So you have to pull the engine versions with a lambda and a cross-account IRM role. You have to cross it with the standard support expiration dates and a classic Athena query. And then don't forget to upgrade them before any extended support. So you have one example here with Kubernetes, which you can see here, current config with EKS 1.33, and with the standard support will end in 2026 July, and that the recommended config will be to upgrade cluster before the extended support happen.